Hello guys, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. It's the 25th of the 6th June, 25th of June, whatever. The most important thing is halfway to Christmas today. That's good, right? Halfway. That means we've got 2 more months of summer, then full on Christmas mode in September. Happy days. Anyway, I hope you're good. I hope you had a good week. I guess they be careful what you wish for. Oh, that could mean a bad thing this week. Yeah, anyway, it's hot. We wish for sun. It's hot, blinking hot. For you guys chilling in the beer garden, well done and thank you. For us guys in the kitchen, we've had enough. But yeah, anyway, what a week. It's the Parrot Puzzler. We do this every week. You know the drill. Let's jump into it. Question 1. Who is headlining Glastonbury this evening? Maybe right now when you're watching this. But if you're watching this next Wednesday, then who headlined Glastonbury on Sunday night? Question 2. Who is the host of TV show Celebrity Lingo? Question 3. In Cockney rhyme and slang, what does bees and honey mean? Bees and honey. Question 4. Which day of the week does Garfield the cat hate? Question 5. Which sport is played at the Oval? Question, where am I? 6. In which county is the Angel of the North? You know, the big statue with his arms out. Wings? Probably wings. Question 7. Who played the lead role in the film Big? Question 8. Which New York high street, that's not a high street, which New York street is famous for its high-end designer shops? Which New York street is famous for its high-end designer shops? Probably my favourite street in New York. Question 9. Which character returned to EastEnders this week after 25 years? Question 10. Which gift is associated with a 5th anniversary? Question 11. Michael B. Jordan is famous for what? Question 12. If you were born on June 1st, what would your star sign be? Question 13. Mark Zuckerberg and who else agreed to a cage fight this week? Question 14. Which brassica is usually used to make coleslaw? Sure, we're all eating it at the moment. Lots of barbecues happening. Question 15. On sun cream, what does SPF mean? I'm sure we're all using that right now as well. Question 16. The Azores are a region in which country? Question 17. What was Beyonce's debut single? Question 18. In food, what is phyllo? Question 9. The Mall in London, or the Mall. That was very American. The Mall in London has Buckingham Palace at one end, but what tourist hotspot at the other? And question 20. What kind of novels does Danielle Steele write? That's it. That's your 20 questions, guys. Please remember, whilst you're here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, leave your comments below. Happy days, you know, have fun with it. There's lots of quizzes here, so if you haven't ever watched before, watch them all. I mean, there's nothing else to do apart from sit in the sun and get drunk in a beer garden, right? You can also listen on ABC Radio on a Sunday morning for a whole different Parrot Puzzler, if that's your thing. But let's do this. Question 1. Let's find out how well you've done. Question 1. Who is headlining Elton John this evening? Sunday night. It's Elton John. Question 2. Who is the host of TV show Celebrity Lingo? Is RuPaul. Question 3. In Cockney rhyme and slang, what does bees and honey mean? Bees and honey means money, apparently. Makes sense. Question 4. Which day of the week does Garfield the cat hate? Mondays. We all hate Mondays, right? Question 5. Which sport is played at the Oval? It's cricket. Question 6. In which county is the Angel of the North? It's Tyne and Wear. Question 7. Who played the lead role in the film Big? It was Tom Hanks. Question 8. Which New York street is famous for its high-end designer shops? It's Fifth Avenue. Question 9. Which character returned to EastEnders this week after 25 years? It was Cindy Beale. I thought she was dead. They seem to bring all their characters back from the dead. Question 10. Which gift is associated with a 5th anniversary? It's wood. Question 11. Michael B. Jordan is famous for what? He is an actor. Michael B. Jordan is an actor. Michael Jordan is a basketball player. Question 12. If you were born on the 1st of June, what would your star sign be? You'd be a Gemini. Question 13. Mark Zuckerberg and who else agreed to a cage fight this week? Elon Musk. Why? Because you have too much money, that's why. Question 14. Which brassica is usually used to make coleslaw? It's cabbage. Question 15. On sun cream, what does SPF mean? It means sun protection factor. Question 16. The Azores are a region in which country? It's Portugal. Question 17. What was Beyonce's debut single, Crazy in Love? All the way back in 2003, 20 years ago. Question 18. In food, what is phyllo pastry? No, what is phyllo? It's pastry. There we go. Question 19. The Mall in London has Buckingham Palace at one end, and which tourist hotspot at the other? It's Trafalgar Square. And question 20. What kind of novels does Danielle Steele write? Romance. Romance. That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions. I've got nothing else to say. Enjoy the sun. I think it's meant to be a bit cooler this week. But yeah, have fun with it. Please support your local pub, wherever it may be. They all need your help. And yeah, I will be back here next week, God willing. Have fun, be good. See you later. Goodbye.